Stay Mabrisa.
Yeah, that's right, Dan. Definitely a cool, crisp fall night in the Bay Area. Let's take a look at today's daytime highs because that really has been the big weather story. Our chilly overnight lows and our cool daytime highs averaging about 5 degrees below average with downtown San Francisco only warming up to 58 degrees, mid-60s for those of you in Santa Rosa at 63 degrees, even though you should be at 67 degrees this time of year. But radar for, we're tracking very active weather for this Sierra, some light snow showers that could bring 1 to 3 inches of lake effect snow for South Lake Tahoe and Pyramid Lake as well. But let's take a look at our Bay Area forecast with radar for not really showing that much rain. Very light storm system making its way through the Bay Area, going to bring us some gusty winds at times overnight, especially for parts of our North Bay valleys. But overall, we are noticing some of that storm cloud cover overhead for those of you in the East Bay over Berkeley. So wind tracker 4, we are tracking cool sea breeze influence along the coast, but starting to see more of those northerly winds along the East Bay shoreline, even extending for those of you in San Jose with future wind gusts during the overnight hours and into your early Sunday morning, upwards of about 30 miles per hour, especially for Atlas Peak and Fairfield, even Vacaville and Napa going to see winds in that 20 to 30 mile per hour range. But then we are going to notice calmer conditions by our Sunday afternoon with winds out of the north at 20 miles per hour or less. So temperatures out there right now starting to cool down into the mid-40s. For those of you in Fairfax, 43 degrees, upper 40s for Half Moon Bay and Livermore at 48 degrees, widespread low to mid-50s for most of the Bay Area out there right now. So it is going to be a noticeably cooler night compared to last night. Temperatures dipping near freezing for Santa Rosa and Napa, upper 30s at 39 degrees for Livermore with widespread mid-40s for the rest of the Bay Area. And temperatures not really going to budge all that much. Upper 50s to low 60s. Those of you in Santa Rosa and Novato, a tad bit warmer in the mid-60s, but still slightly below average. But as you can see, we are going to see very dry conditions for the 7 days ahead and gusty winds Tuesday night through Wednesday, upwards of 35 miles per hour less for our highest peaks. But good news is we got a lot of rain earlier this week, so fire danger threat going to be on the low side. Back to you, Dan.
Awesome. Thanks a lot.